Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside the Horton in one of their newest community. They just opened last week and this is the Heartland Bay. And today we are going to feature in my channel the 1865 plan. This is the house. It's a two-story home. It features 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And this is a gated community with a community park. And also, there's plenty of amenities around the area when you leave this neighborhood. It's near Aliante Casino. There is a Walmart Supercenter and as well as Costco, and there's tons of schools around the area if you have kids. So I can't wait to show you guys inside the house. So let's tour this together. So welcome to the 1865 plan. Outside the door there is a video doorbell and also the keyless entry deadbolt smart lock. As soon as you get in, you will see this nice open layout area. This side right here, there is a coat closet and the smart paneling inside. And this is your open layout area, you guys. It's so nice, perfect for entertaining your friends and family. Living room right here. That's the modern kitchen right there. Love the way they stage the whole area. Love the colors. By the way, you guys, all the stainless steel appliances is included when you purchase the house. There is a refrigerator, whirlpool, the stove, the whirlpool microwave is included. And also, you guys, there is a dishwasher on this side right here. I love the color of the cabinets. This gray color catches my eyes. Love the countertop. This is your dining area right here. Love all the furnitures. And let me show you guys your walk-in pantry right here. Tons of space. And then this side right here is the powder room. And this is the door leading to the garage, but unfortunately it's locked. So let me show you guys the back area, your backyard, before we go upstairs and check all the rooms. So this is the backyard, you guys. They landscape it for staging purpose, but normally when you get the house, it's not landscape, but you have 1 year to do it. It's pretty spacious for entertaining. You can add a sitting area and barbecue. Okay, now let's go upstairs and check the rest of the bedroom. And so now I'm going to show you guys the second floor. There's 4-bedroom and the loft. This is the loft area right here. This is perfect for entertaining if you have kids. Right on this side, This is the shared bathroom, single vanity, tub and shower combo, and then that's the toilet right there. Now I'm going to show you the bedrooms. First bedroom here, very decent size, a large window and a standard closet on this side. And then there's another bedroom next to it. It's also a decent size with that large window and the standard closet inside. And here is another bedroom right here. Same thing, decent size with the standard closet inside. Now let's go check your primary bedroom, but before that I'm going to show you guys your laundry area. Washer and dryer is included when you purchase the house. And now this is your primary bedroom. Tons of space over here with that nice view of your community. We're currently building some Spix home. And this is your primary bath, single vanity with double sink. Right here is your stand-up shower. And this is your water closet on this side. I'm going to show you guys the walk-in closet. Tons of space here. All in all, the primary bedroom is a nice spacious area. Again, this is the 1865 plan, price $438,990. Right now they're giving a $5,000 towards closing cost. If you choose the FHA, is $5.50. For conventional is $5.99. And if you are interested of owning one of this home, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share my video. If you are interested, you can always text me or call me or leave me an email. I'll be happy to tour with you guys. Thank you for watching my video and see you on the next one.